Welcome to the part of me HUAWEI Nova 10, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and then drag this up to another one. And now we can see here the new created home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or more applications. But if you want to add just a couple of apps in one click, you should click here to this plus icon, and after that you should select all of the applications which you want to add. For example, let's use 9 of these apps here. Then just tap here to OK, and now we can see that we just add them successfully. But if you want to rename the folder, just click here on the name and enter the apps, tap to done, and we can see that we just successfully rename it. If you want to rename it by another word, just hold for a while on the folder and then click here to rename and enter the new one. If you want to move here this folder on the screen, you should hold and then drag it. And if you want to move folders between the screens, that's also not a problem. Just you should hold and after that drag it. And we can create the new screens with the folders. That's also not a problem, as you can see. If you want to resize this folder, you should hold it for a while and then click here to enlarge. And we can just then make it smaller. Just to remove the application from the folder, you should hold the app and after that drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, you should hold it and tap here to remove. But don't worry, you will stay with this application here in the apps menu. If you want to just remove a couple of apps in one click, you should click here on this plus icon and after that unselect these applications. Then just tap here to OK. And just if you want to remove all of the applications from here, you should just unselect all of them. Tap to OK, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.